This is a review of the Varsity Men streetwear jacket that I'm going to be doing a review about. And in this review, we're going to explain everything about this streetwear jacket. And without going further, we're going to test this on and show you guys how it is, the comfortability test, and pretty much whether or not this varsity jacket is worth it. So without going further, let's go in depth with this video and show you guys all the important features of this varsity jacket. So before I wear this and demonstrate, I do want to say that the quality of this is really amazing. So in the inside of it, you can see that it has a nice, like a plush, soft material inside. And it's enough to pretty much, it could be ideal for pretty much also during the winter season as well too. As it gets colder, then this would also be ideal for the winter season as well too. But you could also wear this in the pretty much like in the normal weather, like occasional weather, and you don't feel hot in it or anything like that. It doesn't have anything that's like, something that's in the inside of the material where it's, super, where you're gonna get extremely hot. So it's not like that. Really, the material that they use is really perfect for also in the winter time and also during the occasional summertime. So you can wear this like pretty much like a casual streetwear. And one of the things I love about it is that the graphics are really amazing too. I love there's like 3 different tone colors it has. A black one that has like a beige color, then a red color as well too. It's a combination of colors that looks really fantastic, amazing. And you can see that it says Black Air on it as well too, and it tells pretty much like the brand logo and all that stuff. But without going further, I'm gonna wear this and show you guys more in depth about this particular jacket. Okay, so we have this on, and I'm going to be talking about more in depth about this jacket from Vamtac. That's the company name. So one of the few things I want to talk about is the Torchfire Red. It looks really amazing. It looks even more better in person. The videos doesn't do the justice on how well this thing looks. And right over here on the sides, you can hear it says Black Air Motorsports. So it's typically a motor sports jacket, like a racing jacket, and I'll be showing you guys as to why that's called a racing jacket. So pretty much coming from the back side of it, you can see here it says Black Air Motorsports, the brand logo, and it looks really amazing. They did a good job on the graphics. It looks really amazing. And usually, if this looks really nice if you pretty much complement it, like, pretty much like with a black shirt and a black pants, and that's, pretty much a chain like I wore like right over here. And, or other than that, I love how the quality is. This is very good to wear during the winter time, considering that, like I told you guys before, underneath it right over here, it has a plush material where you don't feel hot in it, some type of material where it doesn't get too much hot. And it looks really like a plush material, really soft, lightweight. I do love the fact that this is lightweight as well too. And not just that, this is a size large that I pretty much wore for this jacket. And I'm pretty much about 5'10", and my weight is 160 pounds. And considering that this is a size large, it fits really amazing. I could put my sleeves down, and it looks really amazing just like that, and just like, right over here. But usually I love to pretty much, put the sleeves up because I prefer it that way. But other than that, the size, if you're gonna go pretty much above that, or you're pretty much bigger size than me, then I would definitely recommend to size it up. If you want to, you could do that. But size large is also considerably very, big enough, and it looks really amazing for a varsity jacket. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product if you're pretty much looking for a varsity streetwear jacket to wear pretty much for your band or your concert, or pretty much a jacket to wear just for casual, pretty much for out, streets, or, to wear, anywhere. Then this jacket right here is probably one of the best ones to get, considering that it's lightweight. You can wear this during the summertime, during the winter time. I don't feel hot in it at all. During the summertime as well too, because I do wear it during that time. And also in the winter time, it's pretty, it doesn't make you get, like you don't feel cold or anything like that, even if you wear this, considering, like I told you guys, material is very good in the inside as well too. That's something you would want to have, for if you're getting a jacket. The material is something that's very important for the inside. And yeah, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for something to wear for your band, concert, or casual streetwear varsity jacket. Then this is probably one of the best jackets to get, and I would definitely recommend this jacket from Vamtac.